Hello everybody, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to save your Microsoft Excel worksheets in the 97 to 2003 work format. So hopefully this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So let's say this workbook here we're going to want to save in the old format. All you have to do is just left click on the File tab up in the top left click on Save As. Set wherever you want your save location to be, doesn't really matter. Now what's important is you want to go underneath Save As Type, check mark beside the box right here. Now you want to go down and left click on the Excel 97 to 2003 workbook .xls in parentheses, left click on that, and then just left click on Save, and that's pretty much it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.